Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sayedul. I am a web developer. In this video, I will show you how to format text Facebook Messenger to make your message stand out. If you want to make your text bold, italic, strike through, or even monospace, I have got you covered. So let's get started. To italize your text in Messenger, simply use underscore around your text. For example, underscore hello underscore send. It will appear as hello in italicized text. To make your text bold, use asterisk around your text. For example, hello and then send. It will appear to hello as bold text. To apply a strike-through formatting, wrap your text with tiles. For example, if you want to send text in a monospace font, use three backtick. For example, then for multi-line code blocks, use three backtick before and after you text like this. Then send and show. It will appear as a nearly formatted block of text, and that's it. Now you want to know how to format text in Facebook Messenger to make your message more stylish and readable. Thanks all. Assalamu alaikum.